we are at the mile with the Methanol sprint bike, Article 58. Yeah, it's been a fantastic project. Me and Jon working on it together has been really, really nice. And of course, all the input that William put into it has been amazing. So nice to see him flourishing and then coming up today and watching the bike being run, like fruit of his labours coming out. And it was a struggle to get it done on the deadline, but he did it. We've had a couple of runs out of it. It was furiously fast, but proved a little difficult to start once it had warmed up and the engine had kind of bedded in. So happy with it. It's such a laugh. It's been a really great day.
The Malle Mile. It's a gathering of like-minded bike enthusiasts. This year, the Malle team have organised 2 runs. The hill climb, which is an uphill slalom course over a quarter of a mile, has a variety of bikes, including scooters, street bikes, and some thoroughbred dirt track machines. Some riders really go for it, others just want to get up the hill. There's the mile, which is set up like a classic head-to-head sprint. All sorts of bikes enter: early twin-shock dirt bikes, British classics, bobbers, cafe racers, and some really interesting pro and shed-built customs. It's supposed to be a gentlemanly event, but there's a competitive edge as riders vie for the Man of the Mile title.
What a great day. And the old girl was really good. It was incredibly fast. I left the line in 3rd gear and just kept it pinned in 3rd all the way, and she just kept building and building and getting faster. So yeah, very good, very happy with its performance. The project as a whole for me has been really good. There's been a lot of running around and a lot of late nights, but other than that, yeah, good, exciting project. Yeah, it could be a reflection of my character. My wife says I'm pretty fiery, so yeah. It has been said that the inside of your workshop represents your mental state. So have a look at your own.